morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely great. So very randomly I woke up and decided to vlog my day today because I don't have anything planned and it's pretty much a very chill day. We don't have any sunlight today, but at least no rains as well. So my only goal for the day is to take a bath. So I'm going to make myself a hair mask, which is an amazing hair mask. So all you need to do to make this hair mask is just get these three things. The first one is this vinegar, apple cider vinegar to be exact. The other one is this oil. You can literally go for any oil, like I use this some homemade oil, and the other thing is honey. Then you just have to mix and apply and wash your hair after 30 minutes. So I'm going to go and apply this and I'll see you guys after I take a bath. Finally feeling fresh, and जब तक ये बाल सूखेंगे and उसके बाद I have to work. तब तक I'm gonna decide my tattoos. Yes, I'm going to get tattoos and the date is not final yet, but before I leave Mysore, I have to get tattooed. So I know it's a really big commitment, but I have thought about it and बहुत सोच विचार करके I have finally planned some tattoos and I'm going to share what tattoos I have planned with you guys. So if you have any other suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear that too. So yeah, let's begin planning. Also really sorry for the messy room behind me, and Bruno and Ruby are also sleeping here. Okay guys, let's see. So the first tattoo that I'm definitely gonna get is a Sanskrit phrase, and it means I am blessed. So it's actually a really cute story behind this tattoo. I have 3 elder sisters and one of them got this tattoo like few years back, and it means I am blessed, and it says Anugrahita Smaham, and she got it over here. So I really like that idea. And then my other sister also got the same tattoo on the same place, and it looks really nice. It's really pretty. So the reason that I really want to have this tattoo is that क्योंकि मेरी 2 बहनों के पहले ये tattoo है and I would love to join them. And I also really love the meaning, like I am blessed. Like so simple but really nice. So yeah, that is the first tattoo that we are going for. The other tattoo is, I am like not exactly sure that I really want to get this, but I love tattoos that are on like rib cage, like here. The butterfly is quite random and I'm not 100% sure that I'll get it, but I'm planning, so let's see. One butterfly is also nice. I think I might get like only one, but yeah, let's see what happens. So I'm gonna get like 2-3 tattoos at the same time, maybe even 4, because I like छोटे tattoos and they're like easy to make only. So I might get like 3 for the same time. Like one is this Anugrahita Smaham, the other one is ribcage butterfly, and the next one is actually really cute, like a really like small finger tattoos and on hands and all of that. I think I'm gonna get like a small camera because obviously this is my job. I love cameras, and basically for my love for my work in general. And the last tattoo that I've decided is a छोटू सा heart, like not the filled heart, like ऐसे सिर्फ उसका outline, like heart का outline. I'm going to get it here on my middle finger. I don't know the exact reason like why I want to get it, but I really want to get it and I'm gonna get it. Maybe the reason is that whenever I'm showing my middle finger to someone, they should know that it's coming from a place of love. I know I don't make any sense, but yeah, these were the 4 tattoos that I have planned right now. They can change, they're not 100% sure. Like this Anugrahita Smaham is 100% sure. Uske alawa I'm not sure. Like I also like the idea of 3 dots, like just 3 dots and that's it. So it means mi vida loca in Spanish, and it actually translates for my crazy life in English. Okay, this is also I'm gonna get. Like this is such a cute tattoo, like just 3 dots and that's it. My crazy life. And my hair is all tied up and I think we should get to work before it rains. I think I'm gonna make coffee first. Hi guys, so I am ready and there was a change of plan. So we are going out actually and I'm gonna take you guys along since I'm vlogging today. I'm really excited. So let's go. So we are here at Zarava's poetry classes right now and I'm gonna give you guys a little tour. Look how cute these plants are. Wow. Oh my god, I love this one. Guys, look how cute this is. Oh my god. I think I'm going to take it home. Oh, I think this also works as a CT. Oh, nice. Oh, so pretty. We should not touch that actually. Okay, so they have a lot of amazing cute stuff. So we had to go to a cafe, but we are now stuck in the rain and we are actually thinking of going home. But yeah, I don't know right now actually. Let's see what happens. So finally the rain has stopped a little and now we are heading to our original plan. That was we're going to a cafe. Let's go. And we are here. It's a cafe called Roy's Cafe. We are visiting. Actually, I am visiting for the first time. So we had a big dinner today. I'm so happy. And now we are going to head home. So we are back home and I got changed and everything and I'm just getting ready for bed. So I had a lot of fun vlogging this day and I hope you guys had fun watching it. Also, I was not going to share my tattoo ideas, but I wanted to keep it a surprise actually. But considering the overexcited person that I am, I shared it and I'm happy that I did because you guys can give me suggestions now what to get, what not to get. I'm sure I'm gonna get all 4 of them, but yeah, if you have any suggestions, leave me in the comment section below and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. So yeah, bye.